if you are looking for technology, welcome to DriftMate. In today's video, I am talking about an easy way to make money using AI. Nowadays, AI seems to be an indispensable thing for us. Can we actually make money by using this AI? Yes, definitely check out this YouTube channel. The amount of income earned by making videos using AI is huge.
Oh my God! Wow!
Today, I'm going to tell you in this video how to use this AI to earn big monthly income in this way. Let's go to the video. First, write the wedding script for the title you want, like ChatGPT. So I think you know about ChatGPT. Okay, copy this script like this and paste it into a text document. Then edit this script to suit you. Now we have to create the video related to this script. For that we use Pictorial AI, which is the best video producing AI available in this science. So you can click on the free trial here and sign up here if you want. You can buy the pro version of this. After signing up, there will be a space like this. So click on Processed above the script to video. Copy and paste the script here and give the title above. Then click Process. So now here, the subtitle of your video will show the template of the desired type. Select the one you like and select the size of the YouTube video. So now the video is generated by AI technology for the script you have given. Okay, now our video is generated. After that, you will see that on the left side of the video, there are some settings in the column, so you can change this if you want. The most important setting here is audio. So with this, you have a background music and a voiceover for your video, and we have the facility to upload a voice clip. So after that, go to the top where it says download and click on the video, and you can download this video. So now you can upload this video to YouTube, and in time you will have a group of fans and you will get money from YouTube. So if you think this video is good, then please subscribe me and give it a like and share it with someone to see it, and leave your comments in the comment section below. See you soon with another video like this.